Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After a calm, sideways action on the weekend, Bitcoin gained over 3% from the lows near 106,000 to the highs around 109,500 between Sunday and Monday. At the moment, price is stabilizing around 108,000 after a brief reaction from the upper levels and a possible rebound near 107,500. From a structural standpoint, conditions appear constructive for a move toward higher regions around 115,000, a path similar to how the S&P index recovered to stronger levels on Friday. Let's look at the liquidity maps for additional context. On the one-day map, the main cluster sits near 109,600, formed as traders positioned heavily during the minor dip from 109 to 108,000. The three-day view highlights that both 109 and 110,600 are potential regions of interest. And on the one-week map, the notable concentration areas extend from 109,600 to 110,500 and further upward toward 112,000 through 119,000. My current exposure, initiated during the earlier decline near 105,500, continues to remain active as the setup evolves. The broader environment suggests steady conditions over the coming days and weeks. Next targets are 111,000, 113,000, 115,000. In related market observations, veteran analyst John Bollinger recently urged market participants to pay attention soon, referring to possible W-bottom reversal formations visible on Ethereum and Solana charts. While Bitcoin itself has not yet printed the same structure, the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio increased roughly 7% during the past week, often an early signal of expanding volatility across the market. Historically, Bollinger's indicator has been a reliable gauge of exhaustion points, which aligns with Bitcoin's current consolidation phase, around 107,000 support. I'll continue sharing updates every day. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts and discussions. If you found value in this video, drop a comment. It really helps with the algorithm. Leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.